Alright, now that we saw the process of filling out a proportion table, let's kind of go through the steps and see how we set it up and solve it, and we'll learn a little shortcut to solving them. So first I read the problem. A boat can travel 85 miles on 5 gallons of gas. How much gas will it need to go 119 miles? So first I need to figure out my units for my proportion box. And the units are the words that label the numbers. So if I look at my first two numbers, and this isn't always the case, but you can look at your first sentence, the numbers, to see what the units are given. A boat can travel 85 miles on 5 gallons of gas. Those are the two labels that are given to my first two numbers. And I see that they are also, let's see, how much gas, how many gallons of gas will it need to go 119 miles? So if I see that they're repeated again, I have the right one. So gallons of gasoline and miles. Now, I need to look for numbers to fill in that I know both for. So in this first box right here, in this first set right here, those are the two numbers that I'm given in my problem. So let's look at the first sentence again. A boat can travel 85 miles on 5 gallons. So for miles, I'm going to put 85. And for gallons, I'm going to put 5. So I did that one and I did that one. Now, this box, these two, are for what I'm given and what I need. So it's usually in the question sentence of the problem. So how much gas will it need to go 119 miles? So for miles, I have 119. And for gas, for gallons of gas, it says how much will it need. So that's my question. That's what I'm trying to figure out. So that's my X. Now, the shortcut to solving this, if you know your cross products and you're good at your multiplication and knowing when to divide, you can do it that way. Or you can look for the two numbers that you have diagonally where you have both numbers. If I look this way, 85 and X, I do not have both of these numbers, but I do have 5 and 119. I'm just going to circle those two, and that's telling me those are the two I'm going to multiply. And then I'm actually going to divide by my extra number. So first I'm going to multiply 119 times 5. 595, and now I'm going to divide by my extra number, 85. 595 divided by 85. Let's see how many times 85 will go in. 85 times 7. Oh, perfect. 7 times. And I get 595. So, 7 is my answer. X equals 7. Now, I always check my work then. If I know that these cross products right here equaled 595, I then check 85 times 7. If that equals 595, which it does, then my cross products are equal and my problem is correct. X equals 7 for this problem. Please make sure you wrote this in your notes section.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.